We often think of bacteria as germs that make us sick. But what if starting right now, every bacterium on Earth vanished? Would we be healthier? Safer? Without bacteria, Earth's natural systems would break down fast. Let's break down what would actually happen, scientifically. Bacteria are single-celled microorganisms that live everywhere, in soil, water, air, your body. They're among the oldest and most important life forms on Earth. Most are harmless or helpful, only a tiny fraction cause disease. Bacteria are major decomposers. They break down dead plants, animals, and waste. Without them, organic matter would just pile up. Forests would be choked with leaf litter and carcasses. Nutrient cycles would break, especially the carbon cycle, as carbon from dead matter wouldn't be recycled back into the atmosphere or soil. Plants need nitrogen to grow, but they can't use nitrogen gas from the air directly. Certain bacteria in the soil and in legume roots fix nitrogen into usable forms, like nitrates. Without bacteria, crops would struggle and natural ecosystems would collapse. Artificial fertilizers might help temporarily, but it's not sustainable on a global scale. Your digestive system is home to trillions of beneficial bacteria. They help break down food, produce vitamins like B12 and K, and support your immune system. Without them, humans and animals would face severe malnutrition, weakened immunity, and even death from digestive failure. Say goodbye to cheese, yogurt, sauerkraut, vinegar, chocolate. These foods rely on bacterial fermentation. Engineered bacteria play a vital role in producing medicines like insulin and in environmental cleanup, such as breaking down oil spills. Without them, these technologies would cease to function. In oceans, cyanobacteria and other microbes form the base of the food chain. They perform photosynthesis, producing oxygen and food for plankton. Without them, marine life, from plankton to whales, would collapse. This would also affect atmospheric oxygen production. Up to 50% of Earth's oxygen comes from ocean bacteria. Sure, some bacterial diseases would disappear, no more strep throat, tuberculosis, or food poisoning. But without good bacteria to protect us, fungi and viruses could take over and become more dangerous. Without bacteria, the balance of life would break. Ecosystems would crash within days. Within weeks, human survival would be at risk. And in the long run, life as we know it simply couldn't continue. If you thought bacteria were just troublemakers, think again. They're the invisible support system of life on Earth. Like, share, and subscribe for more deep dive science videos. Drop a comment. What other what if should we explore next?